Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing where a bubblegum panda might appear. You already have the basics, so act now. Open the habitat map and pick the first of 3 high-probability zones because concentrating effort increases encounter chances. Once chosen, outfit yourself with a bubblegum-scented lure and a quiet light source. Make sure your timer is set for 1 hour to avoid staying too long. Move in quietly. The panda is skittish, so slow approach helps you observe behavior without spooking it. Once in the zone, focus on signs. Pink chew marks, small paw prints, and sticky sweet residue lead you toward activity. Follow the wind. Placing your lure upwind at 3 to 5 meters increases the chance the panda detects it first, which draws it toward your position. Move between cover points and advance in short, calm bursts, 10 to 15 seconds, so you stay unseen. As you close, watch posture and ear movements to time your final positioning. Timing matters for a safe, successful sighting. When the bubblegum panda appears, immediately stop moving and soften your breathing. Staying still encourages curiosity and lets it inspect the lure without alarm. If it approaches, avoid sudden gestures and allow it to leave on its own terms. If it becomes startled and flees, back away calmly 5 to 10 meters and wait 15 to 20 minutes before trying again, because immediate pursuit reduces success. Finally, log the location, time, and environmental details so you refine future searches and increase your odds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.